Hey guys, Mark here from Little Kitchen Big Food. So what we're going to do today, we're going to do London chicken. It's really simple, super good meal. You guys are going to love it. If you guys like what you see, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you click on that bell notification so you know when the newest videos are out. Alright? You guys ready? Let's go. Cream of mushroom soup. Into the bowl. A half a cup of Chardonnay wine, half a cup of cooking sherry. Make sure it's all really well incorporated. A half a cup of cheddar cheese. Give that a stir. If you don't have cooking sherry, you can use Chardonnay. If you don't have Chardonnay, you can use bourbon. If you don't have bourbon, hell, use beer. Some boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Put some salt and pepper on the chicken. Brown it on all sides, and we can literally set it aside. A little bit of peanut oil. Some fresh ground black pepper or kosher salt. We're not trying to cook these through, we're just trying to get them brown. They're going to get cooked through in the oven, so don't worry about that. They're going to be in the oven like 30-45 minutes, so we're not worried about them cooking through right now. We just want this nice, pretty golden color. And literally, I can turn it off. I'm going to call that good. That is ready to go in the oven. Into the oven at 350. Some white rice. And now we eat. The sauce really creamy. Chicken is done perfectly. And perfect. Alright, we'll see you guys next week.